Yeah. He gave me shit for overacting. Like, I don't know how to figure out, oh my god, all of a sudden, now you're all of a sudden, like, listening to Evan Giannis, when you had so many other content, and the beat and everything. I'm like, really? He gave me shit for overacting. I didn't go back to next year. He has one eyelash. Anyways.
Tell you what, trying to get a fan in the middle. It's right, her saying that, like, oh no, you're all ignorant about the way that we live over here. I'm just specifically remembering all of this conversation has really brought up the way, like, to memory, the way that she was talking about Al and his wife and the way that they live. Remember all of that. Remember her saying that they had 4 housemates that were all, you know, enjoying Al's wife, and that they were poor and had to all live together. He had a share house essentially, and that, like, things weren't great over, like, do you remember the way she just spoke about that? But it's different over here, you guys. It's different.
If you cut off my arm, I'm just gonna do it. You're just gonna sit there and smile while I do it. So,
Oh.
yeah, it's just that, like, we just have a lot of other things.
She's a lie.
Yeah, Aisha, exactly.
Rex, welcome back to the channel as a pop star. I appreciate it. And Big Mac, thank you for being here for 8 months. Big Mac says, excusing homophobia, okay. Mocking a wall, no. Yes, how dare you come for her shitty paint job? Big Mac,
Even like,
how dare you?
people doing it, you know, it's not
I made
That is against her basic human
I had some
rights.
sweet potatoes earlier.
like, you
Cracks in the wall. My God, how dare you?
have to understand, like, this is not Canada, it's not US. It's a completely different culture, completely different way of life, an Islamic state, Islamic country.
Yeah.
So, you know,
So, what is, what? What's the point?
this is a new situation while you.
I mean, she should recognize that it is culturally different. Remember the vlog we watched the other day of everybody
that.
literally
So
trying to
funny.
hide their faces from being on camera?
So cute.
She didn't get too
His
hurt.
humor is so
No,
innocent. I don't know.
The only thing we don't is like oil fields and stuff like that.
Hey, Roses. Yeah, other people who don't consent to being on camera are totally fine.
Yeah.
But also that's against the law, so that's interesting.
I'm cutting off the. Well, she's more knowledgeable than other people. Actually.
100% Gigi, and that's why I really appreciate the very sensible, respectful, and responsible audience here, because we can have that conversation about, like, Trudy's talking nonsense. Let's just look up or ask people who have experienced it, and, like, broaden our horizons. It honestly sounds like she's getting all of her perspective and information from Snoopy. Fanny, thank you so much for being here for 19 months. Fanny says, can't stay long, but wanted to say hi and love you all.
Balance is wonderful in a relationship, for sure.
She's so stinking cute.
She's got some weird
She's so
thoughts.
cute.
It's like, it's, I don't know, it's nice just being with someone who cares about our future, like the health of our future, like everything, like my health, or, you know what I mean, like the, like, 2 points really nice.
Hope you can't see it.
I feel like we missed most of it in the US.
Never mind.
Twisty Misty. Maybe her cats. Maybe this is taking her a little bit of time to think about. Her cats?
Well, besides my family, I mean, like aspects of Canada, I miss my family.
You like that?
I don't think she does.
I'll give you most of this one.
No, I don't. I really don't miss
Let me just eat the inside of
I
it.
was going to be shady and say food off, but
I guess it was just like not somewhere I enjoy living.
oh, poutine.
And there's a lot of people look on YouTube. There's a lot of people actually moving to like.
Mmm.
Actually, that Indian poutine thing was so good.
My God. My God.
Old mate. Oh, yeah. The weed.
So there's drama going on here for 7 years.
Probably the weed.
Those taste way better there, wow.
Yeah.
Uh.
Being able to look out a window and realize I always thought I'd never